Okay, so here is a tutorial for this polka dot blouse with strap on the front. So first thing to do, so this is the back. You get the back and front. Unya. This is my pattern, printed digital, because I have to test the digital. So first, you're going to connect the shoulder. Okay, shoulder first. Shoulder, right side together. Shoulder muna tayo, and then so this one. Then after this, you're going to overlock the shoulder. Oh. Okay. Then I'm going to overlock the shoulder first. May kaigam. So very hot. So this is a bias strap. Okay, and then, minutes. And then, ato nang ikat ang luyo. Okay? Ang iyang back. So, yung kuhaan pa, dili bulky. So, ikat yung kuhaan para dili bulky ang iyang back. So, ato ikat. Atong say tawag ani? It's not cut. Clip di eye clip. Then, i-trim na nimo after. And then, ay sa ato sang ikuan pila ka inches, pila ka be, how much? So, mga kuan ra to ning katan og sige. So, let's trim this before finalizing. And also, ako nang kata ning iyahang kuan. This is too wide ra, so ako katag mga 5. Too wide ra for me. So maybe mga 4 centimeter. 3.5. And then, ato na siyang i-understitch ang facing. Ana lang na siya. So, ang facing, and understitch. And then, ito na silang i-finish ang facing. So, nga na lang kung mag-finish sa facing. Hey! Is it recording? Yeah! Sa neckline ay yung inata, hilot. Ikatan mo siya dili. Show the abas bayot. Let me see. So, ano na siya? Sa front. Okay, so this is now the front. Okay ba? So next, arita sa second layer. Second layer. So you're going to connect the back and front of the second layer. Ano layer? Second part, second panel. So these two. Ay, ato sa ning pilan. Okay. This is center front, second panel, second layer. Pilaan sa ninato. Fold the seam first di ay. Fold ra diretso. So this is the seam. Akong allowance is 1.5 cm. So fold lang ni siya. Ang fold sa ni di ay. The virus. Then, so after folding the center front and the second layer, so ini siyang i-connect sa back. Second layer back. Asa naman ni? Where is the upper? Kita ni ron. I think this is the upper. Up. Okay, sila may partner duha. Okay, so ana siya. So this one here. Okay, din ako kunig side seam mo. Then side seam. So you're going to sew the side seam. Side seam here. Jomega. Also, kani sa di ay. O man din ako kunig side seam. So ang kuan sa di ay upper. The upper part also, i-connect sa ilang side seam. Okay, so connect side seam of both the lower and the center panel. I adjusting. And then, after ani, ato sa nang i-overlock ng ilahang seam. Okay, sa upper and sa middle panel. Itawag ani panel or part or layer. Whatever the name. Hindi ko alam. Okay? Overlocks ang seam. Okay, so, tapos na. And then, muna nang i-connect ng kaning lower, center, sa yun tulo mga layer. O, ilawan sa ni. Right side together di ay muna i-connect ng second layer o first layer. So ang allowance aning kaning upper is bigger. Yung allowance niya ba? Okay, so ang allowance sa upper dire is same allowance niya is pila man ni inches may akong gigamit 1 inch. Then there is sa lower is only 1 cm. 1 cm siguro 1 cm. So may ang allowance. So imo na siyang i-match ang yang stitch seam. I-match ang ilang mga stitch seam sa lower and sa middle. Ana siya. And match the center also. This is the back. Ana siya. Be, match ba? Oops. Okay, ana siya. So ana siya di ay. Okay, basta kay match na nimo, palibot. All the way around. Okay. And also on the front, mani pinakalisod. Dapat kuha ni sila tupong. So mo siya guys, before you sew this yung part here, dapat ang iyang center front here is also equal. Na siya ba equal? Magkakantay, equal. Okay? So you adjust them para after ato rin yung katan sa ilawang. Katan na siya after sewing this kuan. Then, dito lang tayo, nagawa ka nila lang. This thing. Yes, the Saan siyang ilak? Okay. Let's see. Okay. So, ang casing niya is padulong sa ubos. Dapat naka-forward siya. Ato na siyang i-hide. You can cut this kaning labaw nga fabric. Ano? So, ano na siya. You're going to make a casing. That's why my kaning kuan allowance is, my seam allowance on the upper panel is longer, is bigger than the lower part here. It's because we're going to make a casing, and then you're going to fold this, and you're going to make this seam. Okay, so ang atong itrim di kaning the lower panel, atong trim ng ihang seam. Ang upper panel mo na siya mo cover sa lower seam to make a casing. So ato sa ning triman para dili kayo siya bulky. If I had to do the same again, Fernando Jose. Ay, nakasparo eh. Okay, now, so we're going to make a casing. So the upper seam, kani siya, will go downward and cover the seam on the lower seam. Ay, so na siya. So now, it's time to make a casing. Ito na siya ipilo din eh. Pag dili visible, ipilo ni. Na. The stars were bright for night. Cut na lamang cut. There was something else for you and me. Fernando. Ay. So, then nagatong first casing. Ano siya matong first casing? So, ako na siya mutangan og strap lang ni. Not a garter, not elastic, only a strap. So, same with the lower. Pinaka-lower ni siya. Ano man ni? So, by the way, di ay overlock na akong gigamit diri on the seam, upper seam. Overlock na ni siya, okay? So, same on the lower. Where is my pins? Oh, pin caution. So, same lagi hapon. Ang iyahang kaninga seam is will cover the center panel. Yeah. That's why the seam here is smaller, is shorter, smaller than this one here and the lowest panel. That's my side seam ni. Okay, same lagi hapon. Fold the center front, this lower panel. So, ito sa ko ng seam na. If I had to do the same again. Okay, same lagi hapon. Still, same with the procedure sa second day. Okay. Nung na natarang sa gabi na. So, manan akong align. Anong akong pins? So, align the center front seam. Gimme, da 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 da. Eto na siya. Hapit na mahumang. And then, so either, so, pwede overlock ang dire or fold ang seam. Yan na, like this one. But I think I'm going to overlock this because the seam is, okay, let's try this one. But first, let's trim the seam. Kani siya dire sa center layers. Panel, sa second panel ba? So your casing will not be too kanang bulky bitaw. Ay, nako. Okay. So yung triman, ay. Sumatik ba? And also, kaning seam di ay dire sa corner, the seam dire sa edge, i-cut sa na siya diagonally. Something like that. Same lagi apon pala dili bulky ang imuhang seam. Be? Sige. Ito na siya ipilo. Not overlock. Just fold the seam. Something like this.
Sí.
Okay. Okay. So, bukto na like kulang. So, choose between these two. Either you're going to overlock the seam or fold. So, which one is neat? So, now we're going to add the sleeve first. So, first thing to do for the sleeve, we're going to kuan sa gihang cuff. So, sang ipilo ang gihang cuff. Kay kuan siya garterize ni, we're going to put some garter here. Ana. So, fold the kaning seam twice, like that, twice. And then sew. Tapos, you're going to cut the elastic. So, you have to measure your cuff. So, this is medium and the elastic is 10.9 inches. Then, you have to add allowance at least mga 2 centimeter. And then draw a line to guide the elastic. Be, mga pila ka hani. So mga 1.75 inches from the kanang edge. So na naman ko kuan. So I'm going to mark a line for the guide. Na siya. So this is a guide. Also, get the center of the elastic. Ano siya? Center of the elastic and then mark. Ay, wala natin center. Nabutan. Also, the center of this two. I mean, the center of the sleeve di ay. Na siya. So this is how I get the center. Na. May center anyway. Big tip. The center. And then, pin the center. Pin the elastic center to kuan. There is a cuff sa sleeve. Na. Then, mana na siya? Pull. Muna siyang i-pull, then, anasan siya. Na. So, ito na yung tahiyon. Huwag mong limutin pag-ibig sa sandalo. Okay. Ano to siya? And then, the side seam. And then overlock the seam. But if you don't have overlocker, you can use the zigzag. I'm gonna use the zigzag. So I'm using my zigzag stitch to finish the seam cake. I don't want to go to other kuan room. So ano siya, and then ano to siya. You're going to clip the center here. Ano siya? So now we're going to attach it to the armhole. So ito na siya. Ano siya ang armhole? Then so this is the front. Ang front niya is mas deep. Okay, so first thing, so this is my kuan ha, my way of attaching the sleeve to the armhole. So first, so you can follow your own, what makes you comfortable in doing this. So first is atong i-match ang iyahang seam sa outer, right side together. So I'm gonna cut a little here, seam on the kuan kaning corner. Dili siya corner kuan din ni. Match nimo ang seam, ipini mo, and then next is the shoulder seam to the center of the sleeve pod, iyang cap. So this is pleats man. So mag-create og 2 pleats. 2 pleats akong gikuan ani. And then also here, I didn't put any mark here, so just pin them. No markings, just pin. So whatever the remaining here, like for example this one, you gotta pin this. And then the remaining fabric, the existing fabric will be the pleats, like for this, like this one. Oh. So this is existing here. So you're gonna make a pleats 2. Wala, tansya. Estimate ra. No exact measurement for the pleats, just estimate. Make it 2, see? Until it kuan fit. Oh, see? Then pin. Pin. Okay, so it fits na. So good. And then here, I said no marking. No need to match the marking. Ah. Do not overstretch the kanang sleeve. Do not stretch. Then make 2 pleats here. Not sure. Okay. Okay. So, ano si Jam? Okay. Good. Huwag mong limutin. Okay, then. Ito na siyang tahion. I'm going to sew. So, pwede ka mag-start. You can start here or here. On the seam or on the cup. So, huwag mong limutin. Ouch. Oops. It's zigzag. No. Oh. So, nasa mo to? Diara. So, here it is, guys. The sleeve. Then, the result is, diara. Here's the result. Ano siyang result? So, 2 pleats on the cuff. Okay, so now let's make the strap. Okay. Okay, later, I'm going to overlock the armhole. The armhole seam. Later na. So, I'm gonna do the kanang strap. This is a bias strap. So, I'm gonna make the strap. So, ano siya, oh, yung strap ni mo. Yung siya i-connect ng duha. Right side together. Naka-diagonal na siya. Then, mo na siyang i-connect. Tahion. Bakit hindi So, kani siya, pwede nini sa bus. Okay? Not bus, the underbus, the underbus mo din siya maagi. So, pita may ihang length. Oh, this is 46, 40, 50. So, pwede siya sa kuan, sa ni underbus or waist. Pero sa underbus ka na siya. Kani sa waist ni. Joyce, ani kay 26 man, kay medium. 26.29. So, okay, this is good na. So, yan siya, okay. Maghimo taog. For the strap, ano na lang siya. So, I'm gonna do the strap again. Fold twice. Ano ra? So, be, pila iyahang ko ang width sa strap, be. Plus allowance. Okay. 3.5 centimeter. 3 to 4.5 centimeters para sa strap. 3 to 4 centimeters, yeah. Gani 3.5 ra ni. Ana lang. Sige. You've given to me. You were in my heart. Special part of me. Saan bago? Uy, kasuban ang bago. Si Wawa, si Iso. So, finish na lang hanggang tapusan. Pati na ibutang ang strap. Forever you may go. Ola, za. Sumunod to siya. Okay. Kapas na tadili, okay. Okay. That's it. Kung namin siya i-pass forward ay speedin ako. Ayaw, gara-gara po ang kapaling narapat sa sud. Okay, di na ang first. So do that also on the other casing. Then ang atong casing, right ko, width is 1/2 inch. So dira. So I'm gonna do that here on the other casing. So now I have finished inserting the strap to the casing. So okay, so ang inyong buhaton dyan ni ani mga edge ang mga ends sa strap. You're just going to tie knot the end of this like this one. Ano siya? Then cut. Where's the other? Like this one. So secure ng iyahang and that's it. Okay? And then sa hem. Ano tong hem? Nakakuha ng daig ni. Fold. Okay, overlock na lang. Okay, let's see. If it's okay to fold. Okay, let's see here. Let's have some rest. Ayoko. I like to okay ba? Ano man sad? Siyempre, para sa pinaka-final part, is kakalitan natin yung handle ng door knob dito sa labas. So, turning yung handle na madali at makapag-isip na lang yung okay, para sa edge ni sa hem, you can do overlap this. You can overlap this first and then fold. Tingnan na siya. Or you can do this double fold. Okay? Two options. Double fold or single but overlap. Okay? Ah, wala rin ko itanod.